I bought a 2011 Nissan 370Z Roadster with 76,000 miles. It's the touring package with the sport package with navigation package. Did I say I had a 6-speed? It's a 6-speed. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me showing the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I sold a 2004 350Z 6-speed, and before that, I sold a 2005 350Z automatic. And I was like, let me find another one. They're selling quick, and who knows, maybe the third one's the charm. So I spent, a few days on the local Craigslist and Facebook. I live in the Boston area, so I found one up in Maine. It was a 370Z pearl white with the red interior, red top, and it had all the packages: sport package, touring package, navigation package with the backup camera. It has air-conditioned seats. All right, not air-conditioned seats, but the cooled seats. It has a rev match button, so it rev matches your RPMs. I don't really get it, but whatever, it's there. The owner in the ad said there was slight damage to the car. So when I messaged him, I told him to call me. He did. I said, hey, what's up with the damage? Because in the ad was just the pictures of the side and the back and the front, not the other side. So he's like, oh, I'm having a hard time loading up the pictures to Craigslist with the damage. I'm like, all right. So he sent them to me on my phone, and it's just slight, like a scrape that when he went into his garage, just got that right rear quarter, just enough where it's just annoying, but it still looks good. I was able to buff out some of it. But where the gas cap is, from putting the gas in, taking it out, you can see where the nozzle hit the paint a little bit, maybe, more than once, that's for sure. But it's not a big deal. It's in a small, confined area, and having that painted won't be a big deal. I can't have it painted because of the fumes. I would be dizzy like all day just smelling those fumes. I have a chemical imbalance, so that's not good. Anyways, so I picked the worst day to have the car detailed. It was 90 degrees, 100% humidity. It rained, and then it cleared up. It rained, and it cleared up. But anyways, you're gonna see me detail the car. What did I do? Washed, waxed, but before I waxed, I did a clay bath. I clay bathed the whole car, and did the usual stuff, the wheels, the interior. So the car was kind of disgusting, and it needed it, so let's take a look. think? It looks pretty good, right? So I did notice a few things while driving the car. I can hear a little clunkiness in the rear end, and the brakes are nice, but not great. And what else? When I come up to a light, I can feel like a slight hesitation, sort of like it needs spark plugs or something. Let's get probably the originals in there. So we're gonna take it to my friend Dave's shop in Hudson, New Hampshire. It's called European Auto Solutions, and my friend Travis will be checking it out. So let's take a ride. So as you can see, it needs a few things. It needs rear brakes. I'm gonna get the rotors and pads. I'll get spark plugs. It needs 2 air filters. And while I was cleaning the car, the passenger side motor on the seat failed. It's a simple fix, but you gotta take half the seat up and get the switch up, take the switch cover off, and you gotta clean it, put it back on, and then it should work. What else did it need? Spark plugs. What else? I think there was, and the axle nut makes a noise. So when the car moves forward or backwards, you hear a little clicking, click, 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 click. So we'll get that fixed. So guys, I am very happy. At the moment, I'm ecstatic because a few days ago, I finally got my DJI Mini 3 Pro in, and I was having issues connecting it to my remote control. I have the Mini 2 because I want the big screen. I want my mini pad, whatever it's called, mini iPad 4, whatever, you know what I'm talking about, that. It would not connect, so I had a big issue. I spent all day Saturday watching videos, contacting DJI support, and I have a Mac, and they wanted me to download an app, and it was not working on my iMac. So my friend Steve, I went down to his house, downloaded on his computer. The firmware finally kicked in after I got home. It was really frustrating for a day and a half. It was just like nonstop frustration. And you guys know with today's technology that one little stupid thing can ruin your day. And it did ruin my day. But today when I got home, when it finally started up, I was like, yes. So I did get one test run in, so take a peek. It's nothing special, it's just up and down my pond, but I am very excited to use it because I use my drone with my car videos. So when I go driving, and if I'm by myself, I used to have the drone, send it out, drive down the street, pull over, send the drone somewhere else, drive down the street, you get it, right? Or sometimes I'll take a friend, let them drive, and I'm just like, I'm using the drone while they're driving. So this is gonna be much easier for me, and I can't wait to use it. Some car videos coming up. Yesterday, I was with my friend Steve again, talking about the drone. He has a brand new 2023 Corvette Stingray R with almost 500 horsepower. And we went to Tewksbury State Hospital to do a video. So that should be up in the next couple of days. Very cool, very cool. I think you guys are gonna like it. I do travel throughout New England, and I'll be, look forward to me traveling New England. I do walking trails, hiking, local tourist destinations, and the car videos that are coming up. My 2014 Mercedes CLA 250 4MATIC AMG package. I haven't done it yet. I've just been really lazy. I still have a 2004 BMW 325i convertible with a sport package, 5-speed with low miles, 64,000 miles. And again, this video coming up. When I get the car fixed, the 350Z, I'll do that video and I'll talk about the pros and cons, what to look out for, and I'll use the drone for some cool driving shots. So until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.